Quick Selection and Magic Wand tools. This is Quick Selection tool, and it allows us to quickly paint over a selection around the desired object or an area. The time saver key is the letter W. Here you have an image. Now select the tool and let's paint over the image using it. As you paint, you can see the selection, which expands and includes the other defined edges within the selection. This is an easy way to make a selection in an image or a document. The corresponding options of this tool are the New Selection, Add or Subtract Selection. You can select this Add option and try adding more portions to the selection in the image. You can click on the area which you want to add in the selection. Then select this Subtract option, and now click on the image to remove some areas from the selection. The Brush option lets us change the selected brush's properties. When you click on this small triangle, you get all the options in it. In the brush diameter, you can adjust the size of the brush as you click and move the slider. When you click and move the hardness slider, it will define the smoothness of the brush. You can also change the spacing of the brush as you click and move the slider. This angle will rotate the angle position of the brush. Here you can specify a value, or just click and rotate the cursor in this preview. Then the brush roundness can be changed when you click and move on the option. Finally, you can select any of the options from the size. Then when you click outside the option, you'll see the changes are being applied to the brush. Sample All Layers option will sample all the layers instead of selecting only the current layer. Next, the Auto Enhance option will reduce the roughness and make the selection low on the edges of the image. Using Refine Edge option, you can change the smoothness, contrast, and other properties of the selection. Now, I think that this option should be very familiar to you, as you already saw it on the Marquee Tools options. Magic Wand tool. This tool does a magic job in Photoshop, as its name itself indicates. You have this tool as a hidden tool under Quick Selection tool. So do a long click on it to select the tool. This is the Magic Wand tool, and it enables us to select the area with consistency of colors, instead of tracing the outline of an image. Now select the tool and click on an area that needs selection. You'll see the areas have similar color being selected. The options of this tool are: you can perform new, add, subtract, and intersect selections using options. Tolerance option will select the similar pixels in the image. It ranges between 0 and 255. When you lower the value, fewer colors are selected, and when you raise the value, more colors are selected. Let's increase the value by clicking on the option and dragging. Now click on the image wherever you want to do the selection, and here you'll find the difference using this option. Using the Anti-Alias option, you can get a smooth edge selection, and the Contiguous option selects the areas with the same color and also in the entire image. The Sample All Layers option selects the colors from all visible layers, and you've already discussed this Refined Edges option under Marquee Tool. Hence, using the Quick Selection and Magic Wand tools, we have performed selections in simpler methods.